To manage quick settings on the Samsung A37 5G, all you have to do is just to click on this icon, and what you can do. First of all, you can change size of some controls by sliding into the left or the right side. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can also remove some controls. For example, if I'm not going to use the SmartThings, I can just click on it and get rid of it. By clicking to add a control, I can just put here some quick shortcuts, like for example on iOS. It's very similar. So let's say I want to put here to take a screenshot. Of course, if I want to change its position, I have to click and hold it, and now I can put it wherever I want, even over here. So that's like you want. And right now when you go back, we can also edit this one. So here we can just simply remove all of those shortcuts, or we can change its position. So if I want to, for example, change position with the secure folder, I can drag it here. And if I just make all of those changes, I have to click done, and now click done in the right upper corner to confirm.